It's the TK-0. What I did here, I done popped this plate off so you can see. Is I made 2 brackets that hold it up. It's more for security. 2 brackets that hold it up right here. There's also no bracket right here. I did lay a piece of double-sided tape to secure it, and then you won't be able to see, but that piece right there, I think it's 13 millimeters, but whatever the distance is, it is the same distance from here to here, and it's basically a wedge. So this is glued to the top of the frame, and then this is taped onto that, and that's how I got it.